Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia, aka Being Like Me, and if you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're an old or returning subscriber, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial about this look I'm serving it hot. I hope you like it. I hope you like what you see. I had some products sitting around that I hadn't used in a while, so I just decided to, put them to good use, make a video, show you guys how to look glam, if you're preparing for a birthday or, an outing, or if you're just feeling extra AF. If you do like what you see and you like to see how I created this look, make sure to keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs this video up if you enjoy it. Hey guys, so I already put on my foundation. I used my so I'm making this video a little quicker. I already did the basics. I already did my brows. I do have a brow tutorial, so feel free to check it out if you're wondering how I do my brows. For foundation, I applied my ProFilt'r foundation from Fenty Beauty. I'm in shade 430. Under my face, I use my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in shade 30 or Honey, and these cheekbones are brought to you by Fenty Beauty Xpresso Matchstix. So yeah, and to set my face, I used my Maybelline Fit Me loose setting powder. I'll leave all the products in the description box as always. I just really wanted to get into this look ASAP. Okay, so we're first gonna start with the Juvia Crease Warriors palette, and this pretty much has all the basic browns and the nudes that you need. I'm going to first start by applying Cano. This one's really close to my skin tone. I'm just going to apply that right above my crease. This just creates like a nice transition, I'm going to start from skin to pop of color. I'm a little bit extra today and I haven't even had coffee, so yeah. I'm going to use this to cover my white shirt just because I don't want those stains. I'm gonna move on to my Jacyln. It's my Jacyln Hill palette. I'm pretty much gonna mix some shades. I'm gonna first start by applying these two. And from the same palette, I am gonna be mixing 3 shades. I'm gonna take this one, this, and this. I'm just going to use that to dip in my crease. And I'm going to switch over to my Take Me to Brazil palette, and I am just going to take the black at the end and apply that to my outer V. And just a little bit into my crease as well. And next I'm going to cut my crease using my concealer. Okay, I'm going to top up the blue with some blue glitter. This one's from BH Cosmetics. It's from their glitter collection. I've had this for probably a year and a half. It's pretty much just been sitting down doing nothing and it's almost expiring, so very bright. I'm gonna first rinse my brush, and I'm using my Maybelline Master Fix setting spray. Apply the glitter. Pretty much just gets on everywhere. It's all over my nose, all over my face, almost in my mouth. It's quite messy. So I'm going to be using a gold glitter liner, just like you can see on this side. I am just pretty much going to follow the cut crease, just make a swoop. I'm going to line my eyes. I'm using the Kat Von D tattoo liner in Triple or Triple Black, I think. In Triple Black. I'm just going to go off camera and apply some lashes, and I'll be right back to finish up the look. For my under eyes, I am going to go into the Take Me to Brazil palette again. And let's see. I think I'm going to apply this one, this light blue. That's not what I planned, but it looks good to me, so let's see how that goes. It looks a little bit dusty, so I'm just gonna deepen it with this. That was so dusty. I just feel like it just messed up my face a little bit. Well, I will fix that towards the end of the video. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my mascara. My inner tear duct, I'm gonna use my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. Okay guys, so I took care of the crustiness. I pretty much just had to reapply some concealer and set my face with a different setting powder. I used the Kat Von D translucent locket powder. I find that the Maybelline Fit Me tends to crease a lot. I don't know if it's just me. Okay, so we're just gonna keep it moving. I'm gonna apply the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter to my cheekbones. Okay, for lipstick, I'm gonna go with a nude lip, and I'm gonna be using one of my favorite combinations for a nude lip. I like to start with the NYX Liquid Suede lipstick. This one's called Downtown Beauty, and I'm gonna mix that with the NYX Lingerie Lipli. I was definitely leaving like this, but I feel like this look could use some gloss. And I don't have a clear gloss right now, unfortunately. So I'm gonna have to use the LA Intense Colourpop Glossy Lip. This is called Netta. I'm just gonna apply this to the middle or the center of my lips. Right now it does have some sheen to it. It's not as much as I would have loved to have, but I'm just gonna leave it right here before I ruin things. I'm going to apply some blush, so I'm gonna go into my BH Cosmetics Nude Blush Palette. And I feel like I could really go a little rosy on this because I think I was a little subtle on my lips. So I'm gonna go in with this. Apply some of that highlighter to my brow bone. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. I feel like I haven't played in glitter in a while. That's one of the reasons I did this video. I did the whole pinup girl thing with the hair at the back is a mess, but and no one's seen it, okay? This is just for you guys. So yeah, that's it guys. I'm gonna stop blabbing. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Make sure to turn on the notifications so you're notified every time I post a new video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and again, leave all your comments in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Again, I will catch you in my next one.